Get ready to test your knowledge with this fun farm quiz. Which of the following is not typically raised on a dairy farm? Goats, pigs, or sheep? The correct answer is pigs. How long does it typically take for a baby chick to hatch from its egg? 35 days? 28 days? Or 21 days? The correct answer is 21 days. What is the term for the scientific study of farm animals? Animal husbandry, agriculture, or agronomy? The correct answer is animal husbandry. What is the name of a female adult pig? Mare, sow, or doe? The correct answer is sow. Which of the following animals is not typically raised on a goat farm? Chickens, cows, or llamas? The correct answer is chickens. What is the term for a group of chicken eggs hatching at the same time? Clutch, brood, or flock? The correct answer is brood. How long does it typically take for a pony foal to stand and begin to walk after birth? Within 30 minutes, within 1 hour, or within 1 day? The correct answer is within 30 minutes. Which of the following animals is not typically raised on a poultry farm? Pigs, rabbits, or sheep? The correct answer is sheep. What is the term for a group of geese in flight? Cheyenne, gaggle, or herd? The correct answer is skein. What is the term for a baby llama? Calf, cria, or kid? The correct answer is cria. How many teeth does a piglet typically have when it is born? 0, 6, or 12? The correct answer is 0. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a pig emoji in the comments.